Welcome back. Today we are tackling a classic coding interview problem: best time to buy and sell stock with transaction fee. This problem adds a realistic twist to the standard trading algorithms by introducing a cost for every trade. Here is the setup. You are given an array of prices, representing the stock price on different days. You are also given a transaction fee. Your goal is to maximize your total profit. You can buy and sell as many times as you want, but here is the catch. Every time you sell a stock, you must pay the transaction fee. This fee significantly changes how we approach the problem compared to standard trading strategies. Let's visualize why the fee matters. Suppose you buy a stock at $1 and sell it at $8. Your gross profit is $7. However, if the transaction fee is $2, your actual net profit is only $5. This means small fluctuations in price might not be worth trading if the profit doesn't cover the fee. We need to be selective about our trades. A common mistake is to simply buy at every local dip and sell at every local peak. In a fee-free world, that works. But here, frequent trading can eat up your profits. We need a smarter approach. We will use dynamic programming to track our state day by day, deciding whether it is better to hold onto a stock or sell it and pay the fee. To solve this, we can define two specific states for any given day. First is the hold state. This represents the maximum profit we can have if we end the day holding a share of stock. The second is the cash state. This represents the maximum profit we can have if we end the day with no stock in hand, effectively having all our money in cash. Let's figure out how to calculate the hold value for today. We have two options. Option 1, we already had the stock yesterday and we just keep holding it. Option 2, we didn't have the stock yesterday, so we buy it today. To maximize profit, we simply take the maximum value between these two choices. Similarly, let's calculate the cash value for today. Again, two options. Option 1, we already had cash yesterday and we did nothing. Option 2, we held stock yesterday and decided to sell it today. If we sell, we add the current price to our profit but subtract the transaction fee. We take the maximum of these two outcomes. Here is how the code looks in Python. We initialize cash to 0 and hold to negative price of the first day because buying immediately puts us in debt. Then, we loop through the prices. Inside the loop, we update our cash and hold variables using the logic we just discussed. Finally, we return cash because we want to end with no stock in hand to realize our full profit. Let's trace this with an example. Prices are 1, 3, 2, 8, 4, 9, and the fee is 2. We start by buying at 1. On day 3, the price hits 8. If we sell, we gain 8 minus the fee of 2, plus our initial hold value, giving us a profit of 5. We reinvest later and sell again at 9. By the end, our accumulated profit is 8. This solution is highly efficient. The time complexity is O of n because we pass through the prices array exactly once. The space complexity is O of 1 because we only need two variables to keep track of our states, regardless of how many days of data we have.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.